How to join Google Drive, Dropbox and Mega for free. Get the software from the official website and install it on your computer. Open Air Cluster and click Create Cluster. Choose a name that represents your unified cloud. Add your Google Drive accounts. Connect one or several Google Drive accounts. Add your Dropbox accounts. Repeat the process and add your Mega accounts to expand your total free storage even more. Air Cluster will show the total combined storage of all your connected clouds. Start using your unified cloud, browse, search and manage all your clouds as if they were one large drive.